Well, one thing I decided to do this summer was take some welding certifications. And I was going to do it just because it was a challenge, it would be fun. But I didn't realize how proud of myself I felt after I got my certification stuff that I actually passed. And I'm really happy about it. Like, it's really cool. I can't show you all of it because it's some private information, but got it from Sierra College. I certed out in stick welding for vertical up and overhead. So obviously I got horizontal and flat on that. I also did flux core for the first time. Never done it before, but flux core is super easy. Super easy. Now I see why people like welding. Flux core is super easy. Sorry, dual shield, not self shield. Dual shield is very, very easy. But what I love about this and what it reminded me of, that don't let age be a barrier to your learning. Don't say you're too old to learn this because technology is changing, things are changing. Oh, I can't keep up, the younger kids, so what? Don't let that be a hindrance to you learning and being better. Don't say you're over the hill, because once you go over one hill, you have so many other hills in front of you. You now have the option to choose which hill you want to climb next and how high you go. So don't give me those excuses. Trust me, like, for all those that don't do welding, these are bend tests. You weld in a groove, they cut a piece out, and then they bend it under pressure. And they look for any cracks, breaks, and it has to be within a certain limitation. Yeah, this is flux core. Look how thick that is. 3/8-inch plate. I passed it. I feel really proud of myself right now. Like I'm like beaming. You know, it's crazy. I will get my associate's degree in welding, and it is so much fun. Like, it's one of my prized degrees, other than my bachelor's in electrical engineering or my master's in aeronautical science. Going to a community college and just going there, being with a group of people, and just having fun, it's great. I truly appreciate it. So remember, you're never too old to learn. Don't let age be a barrier to your learning. If it takes you a little longer, it takes you a little longer. But get it done. Get it done.